In this After Effects quick tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create digital typewriter effect. To create a digital typewriter effect, you want to get yourself the text tool. Left-click on the screen and type in your text. You want to go to the first tool, press Ctrl, Alt, and Home, and then center align your text. The font that I'm using is called DES Digital. There will be a link in the description. And all you need to do is open this up. Go to Animate, go to Character Offset, and the first thing you want to do is go into Add. Go to Properties, and get yourself the opacity. For this, you want to set this to 0. You then want to open up the range selector. Set the first one to 0. You want to go further out and set it to 100%. And then all you need to do now is open up the advanced. Go down to the smoothness right here and set this to 0. And if you have a look at it now, you've got yourself the typewriter effect. If you want to make the animation quicker, you drag them closer together. Or, if you want it slower, you drag it further out. You can also get yourself some cool effects, such as a glow. You want to drag this in onto your text layer, set the radius to 40, and then the threshold to 70. You can also get yourself another effect if you type in VEN, and get yourself this one right here and drag it underneath. Set the transition to 20, the angle to 90, and then the width to 30. And there you go, there is your digital typewriter effect. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial.